Alright, you guys, so I already did the back off camera. I'm using the Murray's cream beeswax today, and I'm just going to be coiling my hair. If you have not done a coil out or seen anyone do a coil out, you guys, basically the best way I can explain it is you're basically twirling the hair around your finger. I would say having your hair already kind of wet, but not soaking wet, having it wet, and then that cream beeswax, having a product with a whole lot of slip is going to make this process easy as possible. All I'm doing is twirling the hair around my finger. I do it a couple times. I stretch it out a little bit and do it. Once you get the groove of it, you're just gonna be going and that's how it was for me. I have not done a coil out, you guys, probably since 2015. This is the first time I've done it in years, and it was like riding a bike again, honestly. But that's all I'm going to be doing.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Alright, so y'all, I let the coils stay in my hair the way they were for 5 days. I did this style on a Monday and I took them out on a Saturday. So all I'm doing is going in and unraveling the coils, and I don't have any specific technique. I'm just kind of pulling them and just separating them naturally as possible, where it naturally separates. I'm using the Chebe Oil just to coat my hands so we can prevent any frizz. I did have some frizz on the scalp, and that's just because I just literally wore my hair any kind of way, y'all. I put these coils in. I had wore a scarf for 2 days to work, and then I did a bun, I think if I would have just taken the coils out the next day or at least 2 days after, it would be less frizz. But it came out really, really great.
your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
So all I'm trying to do is figure out how I want to wear the style. Basically, I end up doing a side part, slipping down the edges, and y'all, we are good to go. Like, this is the look. This is it. Super simple. I would definitely do this style again. I'm thinking I would go a little bit bigger because I don't know, like, I love big hair. I love big curls. So I think I want to try bigger finger coils.
Choose your fighter.
Lightning inspired. Fight.
Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I definitely enjoyed myself. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Fight.